Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Inga and today I'm going to show you how to line your eyebrows using a paintbrush. Yes, a paintbrush. I got this from Walmart so you guys can stay tuned. And I will be using this BH Cosmetic eyeliner gel and it's in ONYX. Stay tuned. So like I said earlier, I got these three brushes from Walmart and they're paint brushes and it's by Royal and something I cannot see, but it's like a big size, this medium size, and then this smaller one, which is perfect for eyeliners and whatever you have. I think I'm going to use these others on something else, but yeah, these came from Walmart. You can check these out and let me know what you guys think. I think it's very affordable and it's very easy to use. So if you want a good, just check this out. It's very easy to use, so continue to watch this tutorial. Thank you. So I'm just gonna scoop a little bit of this onto the brush, like dab it in a little bit, and I'm gonna go right above that lash line, the top lash line, and I'm gonna bring it out at the outer corner, making a very skinny line and going back more into the inner eye corner and just moving back towards the outer eye. So as you can see, I'm bringing the bottom liner towards the top liner and I made that triangular shape, and I'm just gonna fill in the empty spaces, moving right along, and I'm gonna go more into my inner eye corner and I'm just gonna line that into the shape of my eye. Thought I should try this brush, seeing that it had the shape of a MAC eyeliner brush. And yeah, like I said earlier, you can make it as thick as you want to. You can make the eye wing a more dramatic one. You can go back and forth doing this. So I was having a bit fun playing with it and seeing what I can do with it, because this brush made it so easy for me to use. I have other makeup brushes that I do use, but sometimes I have a little bit of a fight. But this brush, you guys need to check this out. This is so very, I'm telling you, this is very easy to use. And to finish this off, I'm going to be using my Maybelline liquid eyeliner. This is a usual step that I do. After I'm done with the gel eyeliner, I use the liquid eyeliner over the gel eyeliner. So yes, my ladies, let me know what you think about this in the comments below, and let me know if you decide to use it. I highly recommend this brush, and I highly recommend it for beginners also. So give it a try and hit me up in the comments and let me know if you use it. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you back soon. If you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate the support. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos from me, and I'll see you in my next video.